Welcome. Today in front of me Nokia 1.4, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. Now here on the right upper corner, tap to this icon. And here, as can you see, we're just logged in into two Gmail accounts. And now just to log out from these accounts, tap here to manage accounts on this device. And as can you see, we got here our these accounts. And for example, we wanna just log out from the first one. Just tap there, and as can you see, we got here the remove account button. Tap there, and just to remove account, confirm by tap here again. And as can you see here, we stay only with one account, and now we'll just go back to the application to check. Yes, as can you see, we really stay only with one account, and we just log out from the second one. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.